Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to create a contact group on your iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial video. So let us get started. First of all, head over to the phone app. After you're on the phone app, you will need to head over to contacts. Now tap on the lists on the top left. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to add a list. So tap on add list, that is on the top right. And now you can name the list. Now let's say I want to make a family group. Now, and open this up. Now from here you can add contacts. Tap on add contacts and just select the people that you want to add. So after you do so, just select everyone and then tap on done. Now you can see that the family group has now 3 members in it. And yeah, that is basically how you can create a contact group. Now if you want to send them a message, you can tap on this message icon on the top. That is how you send a mail. And you can tap on plus to add new members there. And yeah, that is how you do it guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.